Jiangsu DUBAO Pump Industry is a production-oriented enterprise integrating research and development, manufacturing and sales. In the process of innovation research and development, we focus on product innovation, quality improvement and process improvement. The company has passed the ISO 9001 Management System certification, and all products have passed the EUCE certification. Main products of Dubao: PP Precision Chemical Solution Filter, PVC Chromic Acid Filter, PVDF Coarsening Solution Filter, High Temperature Chemicalickel Filter, Electrophoretic Paint Ultrafiltration Machine, Idling Vertical Pump, Shaft Seal Free Magnetic Pump, Acid and Alkali Resistant Self-Priming Pump, Stainless Steel Vertical Pump, Extended Shaft Vertical Pump, Stainless Steel Horizontal Centrifugal Pump, Filter Element, Filter Bag, PP, PVC Pipe Valve, Mechanical Shaft Seal and other accessories. The company selects domestic and foreign high-quality raw material